Hello, we are group DIM15. Today we are going to give a presentation about our simulation process in choosing keywords, creating ad designs to match the customer journey model, and the results in round 1 and round 2. We will also talk about what worked and what did not in each round. Also, how we improved it. Overall results and challenges will also be included to let you see how we have been improved for the first 2 rounds. First of all, we are going to give a brief summary of round 1, and then we mainly talk about 2 campaigns in round 2 and how we promote our products. In this section, we decided to briefly discuss about one of our team member results who got the good performance in terms of profit and conversion rate. The product of round 1 is GoPro Hero 4. Our team member used fathead keywords for targeting awareness and interest stages in customer journey. Keywords that used in round 1 were fathead keywords with high clicks and competition, such as GoPro Hero, High Definition GoPro, and some other keywords that related to GoPro, which targeted to increase the probability and conversion rate. We did not do well on the landing page for the first round because we did not use much keyword to describe the product, so that did not help us to attract enough attention. When we designed ad campaigns, we did some research to find what our competitors did. We tried to use similar method to describe our product, but it did not help us to achieve the expectation. As a result, we got quite high impressions, but conversion rate was in a moderate level, only about 4.02%. Our profit was also moderate, was about $3,260. However, the research listing was 3.6, which is not good enough, maybe due to some irrelevant keywords and per landing page relevance. Moreover, due to the per matching keywords with landing pages, the budget was not spent efficiently, only about 20% were spent. Based on the results of round 1, we listed some of our challenges. First of all, for our group, we think that it is challenging in terms of choosing keywords because in the first round, most of us focusing on keywords that included product name and highly competitive. Secondly, it is difficult to distinguish each stage of customer journey by using keywords. Next, we are going to introduce the result of round 2.
Learning from the previous round, we are getting more familiar with the simulation and doing better with the result from having more relevant and accurate keywords. In round 2, we decided to create 2 ad campaigns, one focusing on just GoPro and another campaign focusing on 3 different products, which are Canon, Nikon, and Fujifilm. Not to get you confused, we will call it campaign 1 for the GoPro and campaign 2 for the rest. The difference between the 2 campaigns is that in GoPro, we optimized the customer journey model by creating each ad group according to each stage. We already have the GoPro ad group from round 1, which focuses more on awareness and interest stage, and we continue using that. Then we add the conversion in another ad group, which is named as GoPro conversion. While in campaign 2, we decided to do it another way. We created 3 ad groups for the 3 products that we chose. However, in this campaign, we kind of mix stages in customer journey model from creating awareness, interest, and conversion. In campaign 1, we decided to use more fathead keywords which are general and have a high level of competition for the GoPro ad group that focus on awareness and interest stages. We also eliminated some irrelevant keywords that caused low links and low clicks too late. For the ad design, we did the research and relight the headline to make it more related to selected keywords and landing pages. For the GoPro that targeted conversion stages, we focused on long-tail keywords that are more specific, low level of competition, and medium to high suggested bits such as product series, reviews, and ratings, so we can lead to call to action scenario. However, we also adopted some fathead keywords in order to increase the impressions and click-through rate. Similarly to the previous ad group, we used popular keywords such as best, deals, free delivery, and limited offer to attract customer attention. In campaign 2, we will pick up 2 products as examples here, Canon and Fujifilm, because their results came out completely different. In Canon, we chose to do Canon 5D EOS. It costs around $2,099, which is considered as a high price and more like a professional camera. So we think that those who are searching for this camera already have knowledge and know about cameras. Keywords that we use here will mainly focus on the interest and conversion stage on the customer journey model. There are mixtures of high, medium, and low competition keywords to reduce the cost and to balance the searching. In other words, we use both fathead keywords, simple and have high search volume, and also long-tail keywords, which are more specific and have low search volume, which may lead to a higher conversion rate. We mostly focus on the word like DSLR and the brand name, which we think that they are quite simple and widely used. We include the exact camera model for those who specifically want to purchase this camera. And we also include the word like review for those who are making the decision whether to buy this model or not. In the first headline, we put the camera model in it, which is Canon EOS 5D. And in the second headline, we put specifications and best deals up there to attract customers and communicate a value proposition to let customers know that they can find what they want with the best deals at Ken's Camera Castle. Also in this round, we also have to create a landing page. We put outstanding features in there that may match customer choices of keywords.
For Fujifilm, we chose to do Fujifilm X-T1, which costs $1,599.99. It is the professional and the high-end camera from Fujifilm. For this product, we try to focus more on interest and conversion stage in customer journey, so we decided to use keywords which are the mixture of high, medium, and low competitive bid along with more specific keywords about Fuji. In the first headline, we put the camera model in it, Fujifilm X-T1, and in the second headline, we use the word free delivery to attract customers' attention and to persuade them to click on the ad and hopefully purchase at Ken's Camera Castle. For the landing page, we try to choose different template, which is the template that focusing on sales. For the product details and product summary, we also try to put the outstanding specification and features of the product that would attract the customers. For the result from campaign 1, it is obvious that Corpo that mainly focus on awareness and interest stage did the better performance than the first round. Although the profit was lower by around $800 in the second round, the conversion rate jumped from 4.02% up to approximately 5%. Moreover, the average position or ad ranks against other ads moved up from 3.6 to 1.9 because we used more relevant keywords and try to match keywords to the landing pages. Moving to the second ad group in campaign 1, which is Corpo conversion, the result was not that good. While the impression rate was nearly 60,000, but the number of clicks were only 439 because of the low level of average position in the searching pages. However, the conversion rate is okay. It was about 5% because of long-tail keywords that can reach more customers in the conversion and retention stage. About profit, it was only $960, which is not that good enough. It can be higher by adding more relevance and specific keywords. There are huge differences between these two products. The Canon EOS 5D had got the highest profit, which is $10,020, and the conversion rate is at 3.97%, which is pretty high comparing to its price. But from having a high price, it may also relate to have a high profit. However, in Fujifilm, everything turned out to be zero, which we really have no idea why. However, after discussing with other members, the outcome may come from the keywords used that are not relevant enough or are not used by targeted customers. And also the budget spent in this bra was higher but not as high as we expected. It was at around $2,000. That means we may have to go for more relevant keywords in both the content page, more like SEO and the ad design. For the overall results, the budget were not spent efficiently in both first and second round, maybe because selected keywords were not relevant. Low volume of clicks and the bid amount is not high enough. Also because some keywords were not relevant to landing pages, so the quality of our ads may decrease. For the overall conversion rate, it is okay, but can be improved by using more relevant and attractive keywords that can grab customer attention, have them click and finally purchase the product. For the challenge, in the next round, we plan to do more research about each product features and be more selective in choosing keywords. We want to spend more budget by choosing more keywords and bidding more values to each keyword. About ad design, as we learned from the seminar class, we will also try to match the keywords with the landing pages, optimizing the SEO, and to be more creative in choosing words. And another thing is about customer journey model. We cannot really distinguish each stage from each other. That may affect choosing irrelevant keywords and creating poor quality ad design.